Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Fantom price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. I also shared with you this chart pattern that I have here on the 4-hour chart, which is this double bottom, having our common bottom at around the $0.3564 mark. And this is a chart pattern that should break to the upper side, having the minimum target area of the breakout being given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms, and that is giving me a minimum target area to the area at around the $0.4274 mark. And you can see that at the time of this recording we are still seeing much of a consolidation over here, and we are yet to see the breakout to the upper side. And I think the reason this is happening is because it's now a weekend and these are low volatility days, and there are chances that maybe on Monday, in case we continue with the consolidation, we are finally going to see the breakout to the upper side once the volatility kicks back into the market. Fantom has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we have continued to see further breakdown in the formation of these larger Elliot count 2 of this Elliot structure right here in blue, which has now fully maximized our minimum target area highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.5326 mark. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you my short-term expectations here on the Fantom chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And you can see that after seeing our low on the 23rd of March, we saw that first wave to the upside. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that is the move that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which lies between the $0.4188 mark and the $0.3536 mark, which is an area that we have continued to hold within these during this breakdown to the lower side. And there are chances that very soon we might start gearing up, and once you see the breakout out of this double bottom, then that will be the first movement to the upper side in what could be the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, which we expect after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2. And in case that impulsive move to the upside start, then I'll be expecting also to see a 5 wave structure in formation, also having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. And once that impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 starts, I will also be expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. But in case further breakdown continues, then I'll be watching our key area of support at around the $0.35 mark, which is our common bottom down here within these yellow markings. So in case further breakdown continues, then we can watch out for support at around the $0.3565 mark, which is still within this red target area, the minimum retracement area for that second wave. And if by any chance we lose that yellow target area, continue seeing further breakdown and maybe see a retest of that key area of support, then that would be suggesting further breakdown and a more bearish scenario here on the Fantom chart. So let's continue watching that red target area and also our key area of support at around the $0.35 mark in case further breakdown continues. And to give you the long-term outlook here on the Fantom chart, basing it on this Elliot structure that I have right here in yellow, where you can see that we have now bottomed out in the formation of these larger Elliot count 2, and that was after seeing an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of that first wave. And having seen the formation of that first wave and a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3, and because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. And that's the reason as to why you can see that I have this micro Elliot wave count in blue, which has just given me the short-term scenarios where I believe that you're still in the formation of this wave 2, and we are now ready for that pump in the formation of that wave 3, as long as we continue holding within the minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 2. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Fantom chart. And also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 45 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.